Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification from my channel. You need to have or install Adobe After Effects CS5 or higher version for this template. I'm using After Effects CC 2015 for this tutorial. So let's start. Click the download link in the description and download files. After download, unzip the file and extract. Open the folder and just double-click on the A file in the folder.
After opening, go to Project Panel and simply place drag and drop your music, sound effects, texts and your logo. It's very easy. Now save the project. Here we go. Our motion logo is ready to render. Told you it was super easy. Just go to the file and export and then add to render queue. In the render queue panel, select target folder and click render. After render complete, your logo is ready to use. You can add music later also by leaving the music placeholder empty. Free music is given in the download folder. If you like my effort, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel to get more free stuff like this. Thanks for watching.